Sweet Home Alabama. You Shook Me All Night Long. Bad Moon Rising. Twist and Shout. How about La Bamba? What's going on? It's Steve. Hope you're doing fantastic. Well, as you can tell there, all I learned were the G chord, the D, D major, and C. And you can play dozens, hundreds of songs. So many countless songs are in those keys. I'm going to give you about 10 more in this video, and I've got links to all of them in the description notes below. You can check out the chord charts and learn them yourself. There's so many, and let's just play a couple of them and I'll show you. So if you learn the G chord, classic G chord, sometimes I play it with both fingers on the E and B strings on that 3rd fret, like that. But if you just strum that, then you learn the D major, you learn the C major. I mean, you can do a million songs. So let's try The Joker by Steve Miller Band. The Joker, G, C, G, playing my C on the run, D right there. How about Darius Rucker, Wagon Wheel? Hey there, that's G. Hey there, mama, wagon wheel. I don't know the words of this one. D major, G, hey, D, mama rock me, C, like that, right? How about You Are My Sunshine, that old classic by Johnny Cash and a bunch of others, D major. Actually, let's play it in G again. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy, C major. When skies are gray, G, right there, right? All right, let's do Brown Eyed Girl. It's usually played like in a D major shape. We'll play it in G. You can play them all on these chords. Hey, well, amigo, or whatever. Days When the Rains Came. Actually, it may be in G. Ready? G, C, G, D. I'm going through these fast. You can check out my full lessons on them. I got either these or other ones, these other ones coming up. My C, D, my Brown Eyed Girl. How about Johnny Be Good? Way back up in the woods among the evergreens. That's G. Still log cabin, lived a country boy named Johnny Be Good. C, play guitar, learning the bell. Sorry, I got my lyrics all wrong. And if you learn the little blues, you're doing this part of the G. Like that. Now, a lot of these songs are in different keys. They might be in an A major, they might be in E major, whatever, but we're playing them here in G. The point is you can do all of these because they're just some of the basic chords. Margaritaville. C, Wastin' Away, D major, again in Marga, G major right there. I did Twist and Shout. How about Glory Days by Bruce Springsteen? That's G to D major. Glory Days, A, G major. Rock Around the Clock by Bill Haley. Rock goes to C, back to G, back to D. There's so many millions of songs right there. I'll give you a bonus one. John Cougar Mellencamp, Small Town. Super cool right there. So I'm playing a G, a D, and a C. And again, if you learn these chords and you can use a capo and go higher up on the fretboard, like if I were to play that same John Cougar one. Guitar got out of tune a little bit when I used the capo, but you can tell it's transferable. So if a song says it's in A major, you may be able to use this and play the G and the D and the C chords, but you're still in A major, for example, or some other key on the fretboard. All right, let me know if this was helpful. Check out the chord charts below, and I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute guitar lessons here on the channel. See ya.